Great location, new HVAC in February 2018, resort-style pool and spa, interior lot and more. Welcome to the gated community of Brookestone. Located just a few miles from local restaurants and excellent shopping is a fantastic home featuring a sprawling floor plan, perfect for entertaining. The outdoor pool area is incredible with access from the family room and full bath access. The pool offers a huge screen-enclosed patio with real rock waterfall, pebble-tec style surface and blooming mature landscaping. Inside, entertaining is smooth with plenty of living space featuring separate formal rooms in addition to the family room. The eat-in kitchen is accessible from most areas featuring solid surface counters, 42-inch cabinets, and new microwave. The owner's suite is roomy with a big walk-in closet and comfortable bath with separate shower and garden tub. There are 3 additional bedrooms, one with a walk-in closet and second full bath nearby to the additional bedrooms and the family room. The brand new AC is a 14-SEER carrier, perfect for those hot summer days. Other excellent features include expanded outdoor seating and easy access to nearby 408, 429 and Turnpike. Walt Disney World is only about 20 minutes away.